New Phytophone is a Thai actor and host. He was born on January 30, 1993 in Bangkok, Thailand. At age 3, he moved to Yala province where he completed his lawyer secondary education. He graduated with a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the Faculty of Engineering and a master's degree in business administration from the Faculty of Commerce and Accountancy, both at Chulalongkorn University. He has appeared in various television dramas, including the romantic comedy Put Your Hand on My Shoulder. The same year, he also played I Need Romance and The Comments. New Phytophone is also a natural model, and his Instagram profile makes it very clear that he has done several professional photoshoots. In 2020, he starred in I Am Tea, Me Too. He has made his mark in the Thailand entertainment industry and has a bright future ahead of him. In 2019, he appeared in Love Beyond the Frontier. The same year, he also played Wolf. In 2017, he got the main role of Apo in Waterboy, the series, a TV remake of a film with the same name, and reprised his role as M in Sotas S, the series. He starred in Classic Again, a Thai remake of the 2003 South Korean romantic drama The Classical, and is working on I Need Romance 3. In 2018, he starred in Our Sky. With what he has shown everyone so far, we have a good feeling that we will be seeing a lot more of new Phytophone in the years to come. Phytophone started as a model and became one of the new hosts of Bank Channel's 5 Live Fresh in 2014. He is one of the popular social media celebrities in Thailand. He made his acting debut in Room Alone 401 to 410, a 2014 television series by GMM TV. He has attained quite in his still early career and seems to be hungry for more and more. In 2017, he starred in Waterboy. The same year, he also played You Prince, the crazy artist. In 2015, he appeared in Room Alone 2. He has so far worked in a number of successful films and television series. In 2020, he worked in a movie Classic Again. In 2018, he worked in a movie Waterbro. He is quickly becoming a very recognized face on television, and it has everything to do with how good he is at his job.